Welcome to day 4 of the Infinity Hoop Reset and Recommit Challenge. It's so great to see you here today. Now set your feet hip-width apart, knees soft, weight evenly distributed through both feet. We're going to jump right on into our 3-minute warm-up. Allow your hoop to begin moving naturally around your waist. No rushing, no forcing the movement. Today, it's all about balance and stability. Go ahead and rest your hands on your shoulders to keep them out of the way of the ball, and lift tall through your spine. Imagine a string pulling gently from the top of your head. Relax your shoulders. Be sure to keep your arms lifted above your waist and clear of the hoop through the entire workout. As we warm up, you want to take some slow, deep breaths in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. As the hoop rotates, focus on staying centered. And your stance should either be shifting your weight side to side or forward to backward. If the movement feels uneven, slow it down. Stability comes from control, not speed. Gently engage your core. Think steady, supported, grounded. This warm-up is teaching your body how to stay balanced while moving. In a moment, we'll be transitioning into the main workout. As we transition to the main workout, you want to make sure that you're keeping your core engaged. Now let's move on into your working pace. Keep your hip circles smooth and controlled. Small, intentional movements. Think about keeping your torso quiet while your hips guide the hoop. Check your posture. Chest lifted, spine tall. If you feel yourself leaning, correct it slowly. Balance improves with awareness. We're about a third of the way through, so stay focused. And again, feel free to position your arms in whatever position is most comfortable for you. Your core is working to keep you steady. Your legs are supporting your balance. Keep your breathing steady. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. You're almost halfway through the workout. You got this. If you want to go ahead and stretch your arms out for a little bit, feel free. This is your workout. This is your comfort. As long as you keep moving. If fatigue sets in, don't rush. Reduce the size of your movements instead. Every day that you show up is another check mark for good health. Take good care of yourself. You've only got one you. We'd love to hear about how you're feeling 4 days in. Be sure to leave us a comment and let us know how you're doing. This is a good time to change your stance. You can switch to forward and backward, or if you are already forward and backward, you can switch to side. You want to keep it interesting and keep yourself engaged. Stability is built by staying calm when your body wants to wobble. Every rotation improves your coordination and your control. We're in the final third of the workout. Stay steady, stay centered. You're training balance that carries into daily life. This is strength that you can feel. In a moment, we'll be transitioning into our cool down. Another successful workout. Beautiful. Now let's begin the slow movement. Deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Make your hip circles smaller and more relaxed. Let's bring that heart rate down. Use this time to allow your body to settle. Notice how steady you feel compared to earlier days. That's progress. Now let's do some shoulder rolls to loosen up those shoulders. Great job. Continue to loosen those shoulders by bringing them to the center and then out to the side. Now raise your hands up above your head and bring them down in front of you. Now stretch them out to the side as far back as you can take them and bring them forward again. Raise them up and bring them down. Great job. Day 4 is complete. You're building balance, control, and consistency. Give yourself a hand. You've completed day number 4, looking good. Let's use this last minute of the cool down to celebrate. Give yourself a hand and 2 thumbs up. You did it. You've showed up 4 days in a row. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 5. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the link with a friend, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.